Huzzah! Down valuations are really prevalent at the moment. I haven't seen it this bad for quite a long time. And in my live, I got asked, what do you do if you get a down valuation? I think that's such a good question, because what do you do, guys? How do you react to it? How do you deal with it? Well, if you're interested in my take on this, stay tuned, do like, do share, do follow, and let's get into it. First thing is, down valuations can be a win. I know it sounds weird, but it can be a win if you are able to renegotiate the price of the property. But that's really difficult, because you've got to go back to the estate agent. The estate agent then has to tell the person who they have told their property is worth X. So if an estate agent's told me my house is worth 500,000, and now the lender for the person buying my house is saying it's only worth 460, and then the estate agent's got to come back and say, I know I told you it's worth 500, but the lender doesn't agree with me. Are you willing to renegotiate? Well, that seller's got to backtrack. They've got to go from thinking my house is worth £500,000 to it not be worth that. What do? Do they hit the reality button and say, well, if that's what the lender's saying, then surely that's what the market's doing and my estate agent must have got it wrong. So yes, I will come down. Or will they go, no, I want £500,000. That's what you told me it was worth. So I'm going to stick my feet in the ground and I am not moving. You may get that. Okay, so the first thing to do when you get a down valuation is go back to the estate agent and say, look, this is what the lender said. Can we have another chat about the value of the property? Can we renegotiate? That might mean that the seller might meet you halfway. They might meet you even more. They might say yes, or they may just say absolutely no way. And then there's another decision to make. Do you overpay on the property? Do you say, okay, it's worth 500. The lender said it's worth 460. So the lender's only going to lend me against 460. So if I get my loan of whatever it is, 90%, 85%, whatever it is against that 460, everything over and above that, I've got to put my hand in my pocket and I've got to pay that over and above what the bank thinks the property is worth. Do I want to do that? Do I really want to pay 500,000 for a property that the bank's telling me isn't worth it? I don't know. And then the final thing, guys, the final thing, and the one thing that you really must consider is, do you just walk away? And I know that's not what you want. You really like this property. You've gone into it, heart and soul. You want it. You've invested mentally, physically, emotionally, and you may have even done the searches. You may have started the searches, so you might have even invested financially, and you'll have paid a broker as well. So there are financial implications, but sometimes the best thing to do is to walk away. And what's the old saying? When one door shuts, a window may open, or a window may shut and a door will open. Whatever the saying, it's true. Sometimes the property that you think was the one for you isn't. And actually another opportunity will present itself. So guys, a very long-winded post about down valuations. Renegotiate, make a decision to overpay on the property, or walk away. Those are your choices as far as I am concerned. Guys, if you've got any takes on that or a variation or theme that you would like to add, why not drop it in the comments? And yeah, it'd be great to hear. Guys, as always, thank you for watching the video and we'll see you soon. Huzzah.